Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also just discuss the different algebraic part that is actually called the exponent or indices. First to introduce. This is the starting from class 8, then 9, then 10. So the heading is first today is exponent. 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 N-E-N-T. Exponent, or we bracket we write the index or indices. This is a new chapter in case of algebra. This is a new idea. Okay. This is actually called the powers and roots also. Powers and roots also. Okay. Now, just is the starting from here, the basic thing. You know here, suppose 2 square, you know, or 2 cube. That is a basic concept just clear to you today. 2 square, that you know, actually 2 square means 2 into 2, ultimate 4. That is very important thing. I just discussed today the basic concept of the exponent and indices. Okay, no problem at all. Just to gradually increase step by step. Basic must be clear. This is the very important chapter in case of 8, also 9 and the 10, and this experience is just coming in case of log. You solve in log in class 10 or 9 in the West Bengal board, class 10 in the I.C.S.E. C.B.S.E. board. Okay. Now, this is the basic concept. This is actually called 2 square. That is, 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 square means 2 into 2. That is 2 square. That is actually, this 2 is called the base. And this is called the power or index. Okay. The basic concept is clear gradually. Suppose you write here 3 to the power 6. That is equal to actually 3, 6 times multiply. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what is the answer? 339. So this is 339 and this is 339. 9981 into 9. So ultimate 9 ones are 9 and about 7. So 729 is the number and it's convert in the exponential form, that is, you know the factor actually. So this way, 3, 3, 3 this way. How many 3 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this called the 3 to the power 6. 3 is the base on the base, and what is the power means how many times this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times actually 3 means 3 to the power 1, 1. So this that. So this actually called the 3 to the power 6. Clear? Now, base, this is base and this is index or the power. This clear? Now, the other thing. I just discuss here, this is the basic thing. The basic must be clear. Base ta tomader jodi clear thake, what is these exponents, what is power, what's the new concepts I had discussed here, what is this? This not understanding. So first clear the thing. Now, suppose base and index are clear. Now suppose in case of algebra, you know, suppose a square. A square means a into a. A into a, you know. A cube means a into a into a. In which it's coming? This is. Okay. Or a to the power m. That means a is the m times multiply. A into a dot 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 the m times you write. Okay. This call actually a to the power m, where you know a is the base and m is the power or index. Index. A is the base and m is the index. Okay. Suppose here I write, suppose here is write minus 3 to the power 3. What's the meaning? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. No problem. So this is base and this is index. Very clearly you understand. What is base? what is index and what is the meaning of this. It just convert in this way or you just convert in this way. 3 is the base, so write 3. And what is the 1? This is nothing means 2 means 2 to the power. 2 means actually 2 to the power 1. So here is 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3. So this to this, this to this. Clear? Now, the other discussion. It must be clear. हम इसे क्यों दिखाते हैं? The base clear होना चाहिए. जब base clear हो जाएगा, maths will be automatically right. And the interest in growing maths. তোমাদের তাহলে যদি বুঝতে সুবিধা হয়, তোমাদের ম্যাথসটা বুঝতে সুবিধা হলে তোমাদের ইন্টারেস্ট তৈরি হবে. Certain interest you grow when you just the maths will be very understanding to you. Okay, very clear to you. Now, suppose you know 5 square. You know this is 25. 5 square means 5 into 5. Now the square, if this called the square, so square root of 5 that you write in this way. Square root of 5 you write in this way actually. What do you mean by this? Actually is root over this, that is nothing means 2. So this is 25 and the power is under the root, that is always 1 by, and this is 2. This is the interconversion between square root and square. Square means 5 square, that means actually 5 into 5, 25. Square root of 25. Square root means here is nothing, that means 2 you write. In general, square root means 2. Cube root you write in this way. Cube root of this in this way. Now, I just understand to you what the convert to this. So this is the square root. This is the square root. It convert to the exponents or power. Now, this is 25. And if this is the root of there, this is always 1 by. Here is 2, 2. Now, what is this? 5 square, you know, in case of factor. So this 5 into 5, that means 5 into 5. You know this is 5 square. Clear? So you write here 25 means 5 square and that is power is half. So what is the base? Base is here is 25 and the power or index is half. Okay. It's not maybe always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 1 by 2. Maybe 1 by 3. Maybe 3 by 4. Gradually increase this. Okay. So here that is actually 2 into that is multiply this. So ultimately 5. That means square of 5 is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. In that way it's come. Okay. So this is the interconversion. Now here, suppose this is the cube root I saw here. The cube root of something. Clear? Suppose you know 3 cube. What do you mean by 3 into 3 into 3? That is 27. Okay, this is the cube of 3. Don't be panic, just gradually I increase. So 27 cube root of 27. Not the right in this way, cube root of 27. Now this is the base actually. And now under the root this always 1 by. And what is the value at 3? Now this is the cube root and it's converted to the exponential form. Clear? Now this is the base. The 27, that means 27 you write in this way. The factor. That means 3 is the 3 times. So this actually you know already, this is 3 cube. So here you write 3 cube and this is 1 by 3. To cut off this, so ultimately 3 to the power 1 is 3. So cube of 3 is 27 and the cube root of 27 is equal to 3. The interconversion between the square root cube root to the exponential form and power or index. Clear? This is the way. Clear? These are all maintain a certain rule. Now that I just discussed here the rule. This called actually laws of indices. We just now remember and learn Laws of indices. These are different. This is the basic thing. Now I write here different laws. This is the all this mass is follow a law, certain law. Okay, clear. That we actually call the laws of indices. Laws of indices. These call actually laws of indices. In case of algebra, you know the different formula. Here is also the formula that is called the laws. Suppose you know a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole cube, you know. So here is also certain laws are there on the basis of this. So first law is first law, a to the power m into a to the power n. The first law. Clear? Now what is this? Here is the base are said. This called the base. This called the base. And this called the power or index. Okay? The law is, first law says, when the base are same, power will be added. When the base are same, power will be added. This is m plus n. This is the first law of indices. When base are same, power will be added. Just I discussed different law and the mathematical applications short form, and there is the other video. I just solved different type of indices or the power and index formula. Okay. Now, certain example is there. Suppose you write here. Suppose 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. The just application of the law. The base are same. Power will be added. What is the ultimate answer? 2 to the power 3 plus 5. That is equal to 2 to the power 8. Clear? Now, this is the law. In general, 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times. Multiply. 2 to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 2 means you know already. 2 means actually 2 to the power 1. Clear? Okay. In case of indices, I just discussed later. A to the power 0 is 1. Actually, 2 to the power 0, when 2 to the power 0 is 1. So, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Now, here is the base at these two. And what is the power? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ultimately, the base are this. And this power will be added 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this is actually 2 to the power 8 in this way. So, you just remember the formula. Directly you put a to the power n into a to the power n. When base are same, power will be added. So, you just directly write, not in this way. In general, always you write. So, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. That is 3 plus 5a 2 to the power 8. So, for that, this is the importance of the indices, laws of indices, and you remember this. Okay. So, this is for first introduction. Next video, I just discuss the further and deduct the different form of the formulas of the indices. Okay. So, thank you. Thank you, student. If you just understand this, please like the channel, share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.